You may now be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, student awardees, proud parents, and esteemed faculty members, once again, we welcome you to the BICU University College of Science Recognition Rites 2025.
To begin the program of today's ceremonies, we warmly invite on stage for her opening remarks, the Dean of the College of Science, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano.
Good morning. Good day to each and everyone present today. To our respected guests, Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, ably represented by our VP for Administration, Sir Cyrus Barameda, our distinguished keynote speaker, Instructor Justin James Vega, our VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, our Associate Dean, Dr. Christian C., Department Chairs, Professor Dean Carlo Galias, Dr. Samuel C. Bobiles, Professor Ryan Rodriguez, Dr. Leia Austero, Dr. Jason Punay, and Professor Maria Carolina Boyon. Faculty coordinators, especially our CSASC, Professor Mark Hernandez Daen, BUCS faculty, BUCS administrative personnel, headed by Dr. Pritzi S. Ray, our very important guests for today, our honorees, and their respective parents and guardians. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the BUCS Recognition Rites 2025. Today, we gather under the theme that is not only timely but transformational. Life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. In a world that is rapidly evolving, along with technological breakthroughs, global challenges, shifting economies, and social transitions, the question that we should ask is no longer what do we want to become, but more importantly, the question should be, who do we need to be? We in Bicol University College of Science strongly adhere to the fact that the 21st century learner must not only be competent, but they must be of strong and moral character. We demand character because a student or an academic achiever with character shows empathy, adaptability, and courage. This year's Recognition Rights has for its theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals. We are preparing them to be life champions in their own respective fields, whether they become respected biologists, chemists, computer scientists, information technologists, and meteorologists. Someone who overcomes adversity with resilience, leads with compassion, and uplift others with humility. Life champions are not just achievers. They are givers. They are thinkers. And they are doers. They know that true success lies not in the applause of the crowd, but in the impact that they leave behind. Being a future-ready professional means preparing oneself to face a world that is still being shaped. It means mastering not just subject knowledge, but also soft skills, digital fluency, critical thinking, and a mindset of lifelong learning. It means being open to collaboration, unlearning outdated patterns, and stepping into uncertainty with confidence. Today's professionals must be multidimensional, blending technical expertise with emotional intelligence, innovation with ethics, ambition with a sense of social responsibility. Because the future is no longer just about having a job. It's about being able to create value, navigate complexity, and lead with purpose. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember, we are not just preparing for careers, we are preparing for our life. We are not just building professionals, we are nurturing human beings who will shape the future. To all the students and all the faculty and the members of the academe present here, you are the champions of life. You are the architects of the future. Let this gathering and this moment remind us that the best version of success is one where skill meets the soul, where we rise not just as individuals, but as a community committed to progress and purpose. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome to this Recognition Rights 2025.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy, for opening the program with vim and vigor, inspiring and instilling a sense of fulfillment. Moving on, our next speaker is an advocate for academic excellence. Let us welcome her with a warm round of applause. Dr. Julieta B. Bores, the Bicol University Vice President for Academic Affairs.
Wow. It's really a delight for me to look each one of you on a Monday, the first day of the week. And now we're celebrating once again that season when we had that privilege of congratulating each of the achievers in the college. I think this is already my 5th attendance in a college recognition. Every year, we do this kind of tradition, and every time I attend a program like this, I always feel excited, and I always feel satisfied and happy to see our young achievers do this kind of ceremony. To the mother of the College of Science, who's so gorgeous, well prepared for this kind of ceremony, I'd always like to call her Dr. Joy Serrano. To our Vice President for Administration and Finance, who's representing right today, our beloved President Baby Boy, who is attending an equally important activity in Manila. To the program chairs who were already acknowledged by the Dean a while ago, and of course, to the Associate Dean, Sir Chico C., the program chairs, the faculty members, their parents, some parents, benefactors, supporters of our achievers, and of course, our academic support headed by Madam Pritzi Ray. Thank you for your attendance. And the very reason why we are conducting this kind of activity, ang mga scholar ng Bicol University, our dear achievers, isa pang napakagandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning! Okay. The Dean, in her welcome message, emphasized, and of course, I should not fail to mention, the one who's going to inspire our achievers later on. And I think just looking at him, you already get inspired, isn't it? Of course, si Sir Justin James Vega. Palakpakan nga natin ating, our very own. As I said, the Dean a while ago emphasized the meaning, the importance of our very timely theme. Future life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. And today, we are gathered here to honor you, dear achievers, who personify Bicol University's 4 pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. We are not just awarding here deans or president's listers, but those who as well achieved in different facets of their college life, those who manifested, who demonstrated excellence in terms of leadership and also in service. This very timely theme calls us to reflect even more on the job market that awaits each one of you. And allow me to share very important data. According to Gartner, the global IT market is projected to reach around 5.2 trillion by this year. It's happening now. And with 90% organizations embracing cloud-based solution. And the demand for expertise in the fields like cybersecurity is also expected to grow around 33% through 2030. So that makes it 5 years from now. And generative AI skills witnessing a surge of 866% in course enrollments as noted in the Coursera's 2025 skills report. That's a lot of challenge. Should we be afraid of the future? Or should we look at it as more of a challenge? Tama-tama. Our theme calls us to reflect how to become future-ready and life champions. In any facets of the society, be that in academe and industry, this game changer that revolutionizes almost all professions are being discussed. Is it good? Is it bad? Should we embrace it? Should we discard it? I am referring, friends, to the artificial intelligence. And in your case, scholars ng College of Science, you should be able to relate more with this issue that confronts us. While it is true that artificial intelligence is doing a lot of help making our work faster and efficient, however, we should also look at the possible disadvantage, such as the diminishing of more important human skills, such as creativity, empathy, integrity, and other more important human and critical skills. And that is what we should always look into as you continue to navigate yourself in the college life, so that 5, 4, or 3 years from now, you can call yourself as real life champions. As I've said, should I be worried of your future, my dear students? The answer to that, I should not be. Because as scholars, as students of Bicol University, you are grounded with the 4 pillars of leadership, scholarship, service, and the foundation of all is character. In the age of the artificial intelligence that reshapes the boundaries of possibility, you are not merely called chemists, biologists, information experts, meteorologists, IT experts, but you are called great ambassadors of humanity. And you are entrusted with ensuring that every algorithm or every enhancement should serve a greater good. Dear achievers, rise with courage, lead with integrity, and always serve with purpose, and innovate with vision. You are not just honorees, but you are called life champions, destined to leave indelible mark on this AI and technology-driven world. My congratulations on your remarkable achievements, and may you continue to shine as Bicol University's ambassadors of humanity, and with humility and pride, show the world the true brand of quality and excellence, ang tunay na tatak ng BUenyo, ang tinatawag nating Tibay BUenyo. To all of you, my warmest congratulations, and let's enjoy the rest of this meaningful activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Julieta B. Boris, for highlighting how to excel in the academe. To give us more inspiring words, we welcome on stage the Vice President for Administration and Finance of the Bicol University, Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda.
Good morning, everyone. Smile. We have a reason to smile. Okay. It is my pleasure to stand before you today on behalf of our University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nibres III. So, allow me to read his message. Okay. Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, the batch 2025 special awardees for this year's BU College of Science recognition, my warmest felicitations. I am happy and grateful because the BU College of Science has consistently grown over the years, especially with your outstanding performances in the licensure exams. Thank you for the gift of your constant performance, including your consistency in ensuring the quality of your programs. This is precisely why we need to nurture the unwavering dedication, boundless passion, and transformative impact of the educators and future professionals from your campus for Bicol University and in the service of humanity. For today, we honor not just achievement, but transcendence, rising beyond challenges, surpassing expectations, and embracing the ever evolving journey of teaching and learning. It is a journey that is meant to flow with the tides of time. It is a journey meant to be embraced while allowing ourselves to transcend beyond our mere compulsion towards the grades that we get or the recognition that we think we deserve, whether as students or as leaders. After all, education is not merely the acquisition of knowledge. It is the power to uplift, to inspire, and to change lives. Each student, each educator has transcended limitations, turning obstacles into stepping stones, dreams into realities, and aspirations into action. As you move forward, remember that true transcendence is found in the hearts you touch, the minds you shape, and the legacy of enlightenment you leave behind. Thus, this is not just a celebration of academic achievement. It is a declaration that you are ready as life champions and future-ready professionals in the 21st century. Being a life champion is part of living out the values of our vision, a university for humanity, for sustainable societies with the core values of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character. Continue to learn how to collaborate, to think critically, to solve problems creatively, and to embrace lifelong learning. Be adaptable. The world will change and you must evolve with it. Be collaborative. Success is not a solo endeavor. The best breakthroughs come from working together as future professionals. Be innovative. The world needs fresh ideas, bold actions, and creative minds like yours, who are ready to think outside and beyond the usual box and patterns. Be resilient. Life will change you, but you are equipped to rise above every obstacle and help your future clients in the buildings you will later on structure and build to be resilient as well. To our faculty, students, honorees, alumni, and graduates, your dedication to shaping the future stands as a testament to the limitless height education can reach. May you continue to transcend, to transform, and to lead with wisdom, compassion, and unyielding spirit. Congratulations to all the awardees. May your journey be one of continual transcendence and boundless possibilities. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Cyrus, for those encouraging and visionary words. Truly, your message reminds us of our shared mission to be not just students of the College of Science, but leaders and life champions in the 21st century. And now, let us listen to the keynote address delivered by one and only, our very own Justin James B. Vega, faculty member of the College of Science. But before he delivered his speech, may I request your attention be directed to our screen.
parang hindi ko naman sinubmit yung karamihan sa pictures na yun. um, Disclosure lang, hindi lang po kami umiinom ng juice during review. Hindi lang po documented yung pagre-review namin. Anyways, to Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4 of Bicol University, represented by Vice President for Administration and Finance, Cyrus B. Barameda. To Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs. To Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, Dean of the BU College of Science. To all teaching and non-teaching staff of the BU College of Science. To the attending proud parents, families, and friends. And of course, to the main stars of today's celebration, the student honorees and awardees, a pleasant morning to you all. Before anything else, I would just like to share some initial thoughts I had upon being invited to be the keynote speaker for this recognition rite ceremony. First of all, napaka-weird for me. Just around more or less last year, I was seated around there, the area kung saan naka-assign yung BS Chemistry student awardees. And just like you, I was waiting to receive my award. Just like you, I went up the stage with my proud parents. And after I received my awards, I took photos with my families, my friends, and classmates, and my org mates in the same spots where you will probably do the same later kahit hindi pa tapos ang program. And yun. And now I'm the keynote speaker. Very weird. Second, I thought, what would I even share? While I was preparing my speech just last night, I read the theme and I thought, Life Champions, from a 23-year-old newly graduated individual. I do not believe that I have yet championed in life. I have not lived the rest of my life yet, but I know that my college life and the board exams, both I'll admit I succeeded in, does not a life make. Future-ready professionals with my one semester worth of experience as an instructor. I thought, okay. I believe I am yet to make great strides in my professional career as of now. Regardless, I accepted, and so don't worry, I will try my best to make this speech as meaningful as possible. In any way, it supports the idea that life does not end with any milestone. That's why they are called milestone. They represent progress, but not the end. A mile is not the end of your journey. There are many more miles that you will encounter as you go through life. So will I. Just a quick story time. Believe it or not, I do not like the spotlight. That's probably why I procrastinated finishing this speech until late last night. Tinatanong na ako ni Sir Sam kung tapos ko na yung speech ko so he can read. I feel it comes from the correlation that I have made between success, spotlight, expectations, and consequent stress. I have only recently experienced the character development necessary to dismiss external pressures on me to do consistently well in everything. A few weeks ago, I came upon a post that resonated with me. In a nutshell, the author of the post feels regret over ever accomplishing achievements in their youth because now when they're older and they feel that they do not live up to the expectations set upon them based on their past selves, they feel that they have failed. I thought that was literally me during high school and early years of my college life. Back then, I thought, yan, ginalingan mo pa kasi, ngayon stress ka na kasi ang daming expectations sa'yo. Anyways, when I read the post, I made a realization. Those thoughts were not fair, like at all. Those thoughts take away the happiness and pride that we felt during those moments and instead transform them into regret. That is not fair to our past selves. To be honest with you all, sometimes when I'm tired and vulnerable, I still think, well, will I also come to regret my recent achievements once I feel that I have not succeeded in my career in a way that is proportional to those successes. And I have to force myself to think, just do it. Just do what you can and always give it your best. Just like what you did back then. The success will follow. To you, my dear achievers, always remember that your success is a consequence and manifestation of your effort and your hard work. And so, do not dismiss them when you come to a time when you are not at your 100%, or even if your 100% is seemingly not enough. Because you can never always be at your 100%. Perhaps I am saying that to me as much as you. Anyways, enough about me. Of course, I have to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all of you student honorees and awardees. I'm sure that you have already received your fair share of greetings since the posting of the list of honorees and awardees, and you will probably receive more today and in the coming days. But it truly bears repeating. The excellence that you have shown in the past academic year, and more importantly, the resilience and perseverance that you have exhibited in the face of every struggle is truly worthy of every praise and applause. You yourselves know how difficult it is to obtain such honors in each of your courses. Such events are few and far in between for many of us. Just the other day, I saw a post in the BU Student Forum about a student venting about a 2.7 rating, which automatically disqualified them from the dean's or president's list, and the number of comments were in the lines of CS Kano or CS to for sure. True ba yun, guys? Alam mo itong mga po, mga sir, ma'am. Anyways, take this moment to recognize the great efforts you have made to deserve your achievements, the sleepless nights, the restless sleep, the breakdowns, the pulling yourself together, and much, much more. Realize that no success is ever gained without hard work and sacrifice, and the fact that you are present here today is clear evidence of your capabilities, but most importantly, your will. Always remember that it is your will, more than anything, that will be consistently tested by life. And so to champion over life is to have a will that persists over anything and everything. Of course, there is never truly any achievement that is completely isolated. No one can ever truly say that their achievements are theirs and theirs alone. There will always be those who stood by us as companions in our journey, with whom we share our moments of triumph and strength, such as this, and more importantly, with whom we shared our many more moments of loss and weakness. For you students, they usually come in the form of your families, who have been with you from the start, your besties and friends, your found families from school or outside school, your loved ones, alam nyo na yan, your org mates with whom you share a sense of responsibility and the stress that comes with said responsibilities, your instructors, regardless of how difficult they make your life to be, and more. Regardless of how big or small their role was in your achievements, whether or not they are physically here with you today, give honor and recognition to them as well. For I believe we can all agree that without them, none of us would be where we are right now. To all the student achievers, my only hope for you is that when you go up this stage later this morning, that those awards mean what they mean when you receive them. That you know within yourselves that there is actual merit in you receiving them, both in how you achieved them and how you uphold their meaning in the future. To the academic achievers and scholarship awardees, this means that not only did you exhibit excellence in your academic performance, but that you did so while consistently upholding academic integrity. To the leadership awardees, this means that you showed true leadership that inspired passion and growth within your co-officers, organization members, and the students who you serve. And to the service awardees, this means that you embodied service driven by genuine compassion and an unyielding desire to contribute to the betterment of your communities. And at the end of this ceremony, may those awards not be mere physical representations of your past achievements, gathering dust in your cabinets or stands or frames, or perhaps have their sole value reduced to being additions to your future work resumes, but instead be loud reminders of what you are capable of achieving when you give your honest all at life. Before I end my keynote speech, I would like you, my dear student honorees and awardees, to remind yourselves of why you chose the path of science, filled with many, many trials and tribulations it may be. In my personal belief, I consider there to be a curious child inside all people, a wide-eyed, asking too many questions child within each of us. For scientists and aspiring scientists, this child is just a little bit louder than usual. May you never tire of entertaining that voice inside your head that always asks questions and seeks answers. Let it lead you to unexpected thoughts, ideas, and discoveries. Let it guide you to both success and failure, probably failure more often, but also recognize that it is in failure that many scientists find their biggest breakthroughs. Let that child wander free and find beauty and fulfillment in the unknown and in striving to know that which is unknown. And you might agree, there is nothing more unknowable and uncertain than the future. And so my advice to you all is this: embrace the future with that very same excited curiosity, and when intimidated by uncertainty, hold on to that which you are certain of: your values, your identity, and your people. In this way, whatever it is in your future that comes to surprise you, in good or bad ways, you are ready. Mabuhay, future scientistas ng bayan, and congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Justin. Truly, your story is one that inspires others to strive to be their own best. And parallel to your achievements, let us name this year's student awardees as we move forward to departmental awards, recognizing the excellence of our students across our various degree programs.
To present the awards, may we call on stage Professor Justin James B. Vega and the College of Science Dean, Professor Justin A. Serrano.
But before we award the chemistry department, may we invite Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, VP and Admin, to award the token of appreciation to our guest speaker. Once again, let us all give him a big round of applause.
Thank you once again, Professor Justin James V. Vega.
may we request all students to please stand up as we are going to have our photo opportunity with the VPAA. Once again, may we request the students to please stand up as we are going to have a photo opportunity together with our faculty members and guest speaker. Chemistry Department.
Moving on with the program, to present the awards for our departmental awards, may we call on stage Professor Justin James B. Vega and the College of Science Dean Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano. Again, may we call on stage Professor Justin James B. Vega and the College of Science Dean Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano. First, we will recognize the awardees. May we also invite the faculty from the Chemistry Department to be on stage.
Once again, may we invite the faculty from the Chemistry Department on stage.
We are also requesting the presence of the Vice President for Administration and Finance, Mr. Cyrus Barameda, to be on stage. First, we will recognize the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Chemistry program, whose awards are presented by Dr. Samuel C. Bobolis, the head of the Chemistry Department.
From the Chemistry Department, Flores Mykonos, President's Lister, first semester, President's Lister, second semester. Lavapiés Jonathan Anthony B. Monte Hermos Jomari Nicole, Dins Lister, first semester, Dins Lister, second semester. Murillo Sai Aldrey, Service awardee. De la Rama Teresa Angela B. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Ebreo Fritz H. Service awardee. Mohal Ewin Kirby T. Dance Lister, first semester. President's Lister, second semester. Nuez Alessandra May B. Special Citation, PAX Leadership Award Society Representative Performance Award. Service awardee. Vakal Masher Alvin, Dance Lister, first semester. President's Lister, second semester. Service awardee. Aquino KF, Service awardee. Desaliza Erwin Roy, Service awardee. Guillermo Josiah C. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. JD Joseph Gamaliel R. Dance Lister, first semester. President's Lister, second semester. Special Citation awardee. Peliago Krishna Nicole F. Special Citation awardee. Rico John E. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Vale Joshua, Service awardee.
Next are the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Meteorology program, whose awards are presented by Dr. Jason P. Punay, the head of the Physics and Meteorology Department.
Villar Mary Chris B. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Villar Mary Chris B. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Vista Melinda P. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Vivo Vivian P. President's Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Service awardee. Yasis Lance Maron B. Athletics awardee. Aguinilio Jan Asher. Aguinilio John Asher S. Dance Lister, first semester. Dance Lister, second semester. Service awardee. Alejo Joan Christine A., then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester, service awardee. Domitita Mary Grace D., then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester, service awardee. Tio Clyde Owen E., then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Avila Don Christian M., service awardee. Bobby's Paul Andre B., president's solicitor, second and first semester. Camacho Marcela Julian R., dean solicitor, first semester, president's solicitor, second semester. Valdez Maria Isabella A., then solicitor, first semester, president's solicitor, second semester. Castaneda Elsia Gail L., then solicitor, first semester, special citation best poster presenter, service awardee. Daria Zamer Arabi M., special citation third best oral presenter. Destacamento Pia O., then solicitor, first semester, special citation best poster presenter, rank 1 in research category and best paper award. Garcia Yuden Ray L., then solicitor, first semester, special citation best paper. Gonzalez Dexter M., special citation Philippine Meteorological Society, second place. Marhalino Ray Vincent S., then solicitor, first semester, special citation gold medalist Karate do Fly, best paper CCA, DRRM category. Perez Blaise Christian, special citation second best oral presentation. Ricalde Jefferson, special citation best paper CCA, DRRM category. Thank you very much to the faculty of the Meteorology Department. We may now proceed to the Computer Science Department.
For the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science program, awards will be presented by Dr. Leia D. Austero, Head of the Computer Science Department. May we also request Professor Mary Joy P. Cano and Professor Jennifer Yubido. Belgado Melhulian B., Athletics Award. Bea Dean Clarice, President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Buenaobra Gino L., Dean's Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Canonizado Michael Xavier E., Dean's Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Escara Shanley Josh B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Espinas AZ Rain L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Theser Terrence M., President Lister for first and second semesters. Gallego Mark Alex D., President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semesters. Jolok Jan Lester L., President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semesters. Paharin Derek B., President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Pialago Salve Adele P., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Tabayag Saris Joy D., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Bolaños Lance Andre C., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Domasian Maya M., President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Donato Juanico Leon C., Athletics Award. Espirito John Ree E., President Lister for first and second semesters. Froyalde Carl Ivan V., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Madrinian Eunice Elaine B., Dean's Lister for second semester. Marivalio Sean Gabriel V., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Miranda Maria Lourdes S., Dean's Lister for second semester. Quinones James Brian O., Dean's Lister for second semesters. Abardo Leandro S., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Basilia Luar Matthew A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Bertulfo Juliet Clarice A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Burigas Chris John B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Bronza Lance Stephen L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Cañeta Havila S., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. De Duque Lynn Jedri D., Dean's Lister for second semesters. Citation, Special Citation Award for the 2025 BICO Student Research Summit, Nurture 2025, Best Paper. Janicia Ryan Kim A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Eclarinal Alexandra Nicole D., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Foronda Ina Gabrielle P., President Lister for first and second semesters. Herrera CJM, President Lister for first and second semester. Special citation for AIDSDIC, first place, BURND Forum, Best Paper. Loria Jerome A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Lucero Jerwin Glenn A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters and Citation Award at AIDSDIC first place. Maperix Don Nino R., President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester with Special Citation Award. Montesor Eugene L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters with Special Citation Award. Marquez Kendricks Anton L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Nate Clyde Justin C., then solicitor for first and second semesters. Omanga J. Sale Joseph, A. President Lister for first semester, then solicitor for second semesters, with service award. Pelon Jonathan A. then solicitor for second semester, with service award. Reiko Jovic Francis B. President Lister for first and second semesters. Sandrino Henrich C. President Lister for first semester, then Lister for second semester. C. John Wilhelm T. President Lister for first semester, then Lister for second semester. With special citation award. Tagled Lars John A. then solicitor for first and second semesters. Trinad Chaska L. then solicitor for first and second semesters, with special citation award. Vergara Azier Cedric B. then solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Alvarez Mekaya Devin N. then solicitor for first and second semester.
Proceeding with the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Biology program, we call on Professor Dean Carlo F. Gallas, Head of the Biology Department, to present the awards. We also request the presence of Dr. Lilibeth Kahuday to be on stage.
Barameda Rain Emmanuel B. then solicitor second semester with special citation. Katapang Cristel Aspa, athletics awardee. Giliega Ezekiah Venice A. then solicitor second awardee, second semester. Almuena Tyron J. then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Azul Camilea B. then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Belwang Trixie S. then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Bonayon Mary Joyce, special citation awardee. Bueno Jenny May B. President's Solicitor, both semesters. Cruz R.C. Albert A. then solicitor, second semester. Dihita J. of Vince E. then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Gajero Lindsay P. then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Legaspi John Glenn D. then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Loares Maria Dorothy M. then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Lopez Daisuke, then solicitor, first semester, then solicitor, second semester. Lucanias John Ira B., President Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Manilag John Lawrence B., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Nebres Kyla P., Service Awardee. Nuas Mary Darlene L., Service Awardee, then Solicitor, first semester, President Solicitor, second semester. Peña Flor Shaira Joyce P., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Ramos Sophie Martin A., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Sambahon Rohana Altea B., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Sarmiento Lennox Romulius O., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Chongson at Sheena Marie A., President Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester. Villamil Eliza R., then Solicitor, first semester, then Solicitor, second semester.
Asoke Marylord N., Special Citation Award. Azuelo John Tracy S., Dean's Lister, first semester, President Lister, second semester. Balyares Moraya O., Dean's Lister, first semester, President Lister, second semester. Burses Eliza Jane F., Dean's Lister, first semester, President Lister, second semester. Carino Jetro P., Dean's Lister, first semester, President Lister, second semester. Ching Raven May L., Dean's Lister, first semester, President Lister, second semester, with Special Citation Award. Chua Claire Krisha L., Dean's Lister, first and second semesters. Colliantes Jana C., Dean's Lister, first and second semesters. Credo Bea L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Claire Chua Krisha L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Colliantes Jana C., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Credo Bea L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Dawal Bernard D., President Lister for first and second semesters. Litana Claire L., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Lieva Lovely May P., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Lonyosa Ayla Marie M., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Lorico Ace Vincent M., Dean's Lister for second semester with Service Award. Malana Lance Andre B., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Ocampo Carlos Jeremy C., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Orogo James M., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Perez Rodel Angelo P., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Pusing Syra May M., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Ricera Nelson Louis III, Dean's Lister for first semester and President Lister for second semester. Romero Jihan Gale C., Dean's Lister for first and second semester. Roque Veer Kyohan M., Dean's Lister for first and second semester. Uy Maria Alexa C., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Vega Hilary P., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Warde Mark B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters with Special Citation Award. Abihoro Edson B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Ahero Christine Irene R., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester, with Service Award. Andes Jean Alexis S., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Atole Francine Nicole P., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Bersabal Criza Marie P., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Bien Michelle Ann C., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Briton Angelo John A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters with Special Citation Award. Briton Angelo John A., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters with Special Citation Award. Buizing Zan Marie B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Capus Rhines Dave B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Capos Rhines Dave V., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester with Service Award. De Los Reyes Christine Grace M., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Jocareza Trina B., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Fegason Mildred F., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Garrido Sheril Joy R., Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Gonoon Von Emmanuel S., Dean's Lister for second semester with Service Award. Guelas Tristan C., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Hernandez Arabel May P. Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Ibo Lance Alfred N. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Igay Heather Ann A. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Lapid Alexandria S. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Madelar Myrene A. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Mahadillas Dana Ella A. President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Miraflor Mary Elizabeth N. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters with Special Citation Award. Mora Merrill C. Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester with Service Award. Morco Casey Mireth Q. President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester. Palenzuela Noel Jose M. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Princesa Angela Vial D. Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Sanhe John Robert Z. President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester with Service Award. Sargento Jewel G. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Villamor Joan Alexis V. Dean's Lister for first and second semesters.
Thank you to Mr. Cyrus Barameda, Vice President of Administration and Finance, Professor Justin James B. Vega, Professor Jocelyn Iserano, and the members of the Biology Faculty Department. Last but not the least, for the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology program. Presenting the awards are Professor Ryan Rodriguez, Professor Nolly Lucila Jr., Dr. Christian Y.C., Professor Julie Ann Balang, and Professor Jonathan Borromeo to present the awards for the Information Technology awardees.
May we remind the students to please stay on your seats. Our event is not yet done. Once again, students, please return to your seats. Our event is not yet done.
We are also requesting the presence of Dr. Laarni Pancho to be on stage to present the awards for the Information Technology awardees.
Alvarez Mikaya Devin Anna, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Avila Clarissa A, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Becher Johnsel A, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Beliezo Harvey, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Briongos Arabella B, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Buergo Chini Nina E, then solicitor second semester. Candelaria John Benedict B, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Daito Jesslyn E, then solicitor first semester, president solicitor second semester. De Chavez Micoli R, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Ebuenga Crystal Ann B, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Formento Aaron J. A, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Hestiada Hershey A, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Labalan Jose Manuel G, service awardee. Loterte L. John Paulo C, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Madrilejos Policristi P, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Marfield Johnson Carl M, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Marfield John Marvin G, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Marfield Johnson Carl M, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Marfield John Marvin G, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Marilyn Juliana B, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Service awardee. Aureliana Angel A, president solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Peace Don Emmanuel G, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester.
First semester, tapos second semester.
Sabanal Nestor Gerard D, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Acosta Ken and J, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Almojuela Mark Jun E, then solicitor first semester, president solicitor second semester. Banias John Dave B, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Barrias Liza May B, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Belardo Kenneth, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Bercasio Vicente II, C, president solicitor for both semesters. Bombales JB, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Cañaveral Elame L, then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Cancela Ms. Pamay B. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Dapa Crystal Marie D. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. The lesson Karil M. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Grenadille Heaven G. Leadership Awardee. Hi G. Catherine Joy, President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Lana Wendy Dayan F. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Matamorosa Janine Ash F. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Morales Jervy Jake O. President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Nieva Emmanuel O. President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Onoya Archie S. President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Regalado Shakira B. President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Rodejo John Robert C. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Salazar Giselle Christophe F. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Sinogba Carl Ernest N. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Villaroya Daniel F. President Solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Abilano John Carly B. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Alberto Aaron John C. President, then solicitor first semester, President Solicitor second semester. Alberto John A. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Alfonso John Alfred B. Then solicitor first semester, President Solicitor second semester. Alianza Machristine V. Service Awardee. Assis Randiel James Z. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Avellano Eric D. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Azul Annie Ron L. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Baclao Kyle Clyde E. Then solicitor first semester, President Solicitor second semester. Balangat Rona May, Service Awardee. Belen Tricia Ann F. Then solicitor first semester, then solicitor second semester. Belgica Tricia Francine, then solicitor first semester, President Solicitor second semester. Benitez Maureen A., then solicitor first semester, President Solicitor second semester.
Bernal John Alvin B., then solicitor for first and second semesters. Bitancor Mark S., then solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Bolata Kim Allen R., then solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Bragais Crizan Cerise M., then solicitor for first and second semesters. Brimon Christine M. Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Briton Julie Creasy, Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Canyotal Maria Bianca Marie R., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Celeste Jean Carlo T., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Certifico Jadi C., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Servano Michael Jamil M., Dean Solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Chapman Kian Chester T., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Clerego Mark Anthony D., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Condat Jan C., Dean Solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Cordero Renz Uri M., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Dap Mary Grace F., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. De La Cruz John Lloyd T., Dean Solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester. De La Peña Kent RJB, Dean Solicitor for first semester, President Lister for second semester, with Service Award. Duran Maidon Jeho G., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Escobar Gerald Malone E., President Lister for first semester, Dean Solicitor for second semester. Escota Rachel D., Dean Solicitor for first and second semesters. Esparas Christian Paul A., President Lister for first semester, Dean Solicitor for second semester. Hugo Angela Ann Teresa A., President Lister for first semester, and President Lister for second semester. Lariosa Jubel M., Dean Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Yarena Camila Jane Y., Dean Lister for first and second semester. Liave Sarah May L., Dean Lister for first and second semesters. Lustre Colleen R., Dean Lister for first and second semesters. Manila Rachel Ann B., Dean Lister for first and second semesters. Marquesas Hazel Ann B., Dean Lister for first and second semesters with Service Award. Mendez Jeremy A., Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Milyares Alame R, Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Mirabales Menard M, Dean's Lister for first and second semester with Athletics Award. Nario Alvin S, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Ogaban Agnes V, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Opena Mary Jane O, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Recamunta Russell James R, Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Riola Carmelo Kim, Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Riosa Joseph B, Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Saberon Amir Sebastian S, Dean's Lister first semester, President Lister second semester. Sato Delight Grace S, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Tayam Johannes III, A, Dean's Lister for first semester, President Lister for second semester. Villar Mary Chris B, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Vista Melinda P, Dean's Lister for first and second semesters. Vivo Vivian P, President Lister for first semester, Dean's Lister for second semester, with Athletics Award.
Girl, maman siyang athletics award.
Igwa,
Bading pati siya nagulat sa athletics award niya.
Ikaw kasi.
Ano ako?
Thank you very much for the faculty members of Information Technology Department, and congratulations to all the awardees. May this day inspire you all.
But before we proceed to the next awarding, may we have a quick break and listen to the performance by our college solo piano champion, Mr. Aldiangel Wong. May I please request the attention of everyone to please center your attention to the left side of the stage. Once again, we have Mr. Aldiangel Wong.
Thank you, Mr. Wong, for serenading the College of Science. Mr. Wong is also the champion of College of Science in instrumental solo competition. Patunay na basta siyentista ng bayan, magaling yan.
Now, with further ado, let us proceed with the program. Our next set of awards will be the scholarship awardees. To present the awards, may we call on the presence of Vice President for Administration and Finance, Mr. Cyrus Barameda, College of Science Dean, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, and Professor Justin James B. Vega to present the awards. We also request the presence of Associate Dean Dr. Christian Y.C. to be on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, the scholarship awardees for first semester. Flores Mykonos B. Bobis Paul Andre B. Cabalbag Adornado Jr. B. Bercasio Vincent II C. Reiko Jovic Francis B. Jolok Jan Lester L. Mapa Jomar Jake D. Paharin Derek B. Fisher Terrence M. Rank 1, Rivera RVG. And now for the scholarship awardee for second semester. For Rhonda Ina Gabriel P. Rico Jovic Francis B. Briones Mary May Francine S. Ching Raven May L. Espirito John Ray E. Dawal Bernard D. Hugo Angela Ann Therese A. Ahero Christine Irene R. Alianza Maria Cristina V. Bobis Paul Andre B. And now for the rank 1, Capus Rhines Davy.
Congratulations to all student awardees. May this be but one among many of your achievements that you take pride for. Moving on with the program, we now shine the spotlight on leadership and organizational excellence. May we invite on stage the College of Science Dean, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, Associate Dean, Dr. Christian Y.C., and College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator, Professor Mark H. Daen, for the presentation of awards for this year's Leadership Awardees.
May we request the presidents of the Access, Chess, Circuits, RCYC, Science, Scientia, Storm, and Symbiosis to please align. And also the College Student Council of the College of Science. Joanna Sherry T. Paraiso, President of Access. Krisha Nicole Piliago, President of Chemical Science Society. Heaven G. Granadil, President of Circle of Unified Information Technology Students. Christine Irene R. Ajero, President of Red Cross Youth College of Science. Ezekiah Vinice A. Gallego, President of Science. R.C. Albert A. Cruz, Editor in Scientia. Raven May L. Ching, Scientia EIC. Teresa Angela B. Delera. Jan McNair F. Pavia, President of Student Organization of Meteorology. Aliyah Ann Herrera, President of Symbiosis. Thank you so much, department and college-based organization presidents. We come now to the College Student Council. Jenny May B. Bueno. Aliyah Charlize A. Labandilo. Sara A. Balhimino. Jana C. Colantes, Secretary. Treasurer Chani Yesha Tangilon. Public Information Officer Iser Calvin Bacerdo. Representative Jonathan Anton Lavapierre. Representative Angelo Jose S. Rico. Representative Simon Angelo Carlo Narvaez. Business Manager James Brian O. Quinones. Vice President Lance Stephen Bronzal. Representative Chini Ninia Buergo. Once again, we welcome on stage President Sara Belhimino, Vice President Lance Bronzal, Secretary Jana Colantes, Treasurer Chen Tangilon, Auditor Aliyah Labandilo, Business Manager James Quinones, PIO Iser Bacerdo, Representatives Jenny Bueno, Chini Buergo, Jonathan Lavapierre, Simon Narvaez, Angelo Rico, and their advisor, Mark Hernandez Daen. Thank you so much, college and department-based organizations together with the College Student Council.
For the most outstanding college-based organization, the award will be presented by Professor Joanne M. Cordovilla. On behalf of Professor Joanne M. Cordovilla, may we request the presence of Professor Melchor General.
Wait lang, andito, be. Relax, 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 relax. Andito, andito. Ito yun. Ito, simula ka dito. Yan, dali na, dali na. Okay. Ito na. Hindi, ano na yan? Ito na yan, ito na yan. Org na to, ayun o, org. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
Now, we move on to a special part of our program, honoring the student organizations and individuals who have gone above and beyond in fostering leadership, excellence, and community engagement in the College of Science.
These awards recognize not just participation, but passion, purpose, and the power of student initiative.
To start, this award is given to an organization that has demonstrated consistent excellence, discipline, and initiative in fulfilling its goals and serving the student body. The Dean's Citation for Exemplary Student Organization goes to BU Storm. Congratulations to Student Organization for Meteorology for exemplifying what it means to lead with integrity and service.
Next, we recognize a group that has integrated academic concepts with student-driven programs, proving that learning extends far beyond the classroom. For their strategic skill-sharpening activities, the Outstanding Organization in Intracurricular Activities Award is presented to BU Chemical Science Society. Congratulations to BUCS for receiving the Outstanding Organization in Intracurricular Activities. Will be led by Professor Julian. Sabihin mo muna to. Award this next award will be awarded led by Congratulations to BUCS for promoting critical thinking. Congratulations, Advisor Sam Bobiles and Dr. Samuel Bobiles and the BUCS for promoting critical thinking, logic, and excellence through your initiatives.
This next award will be led by Professor Julianne M. Balang and Lance Stephen Bronzal, Vice President of College Student Council. This next organization has truly gone the extra mile, empowering communities, leading student initiatives, and creating a lasting impact both within and outside the university. For their unparalleled dedication, we proudly present 3 major awards to one organization. The most outstanding student organization, best in community involvement, and best in extracurricular activities all go to Symbiosis.
Congratulations, BUCS. Your tireless service, creativity, and heart continue to set the gold standard. May we request all of the members of the BUCS on stage. And of course, the advisor of the Symbiosis,
Professor Phil V. Morano.
And of course, behind every great organization is a mentor who inspires, guides, and empowers. This next award honors an individual who has consistently provided direction, encouragement, and wisdom to our student leaders. The Outstanding Student Organization Advisor Award is given to Professor Phil V. Morano. Congratulations to the BU Symbiosis Advisor. Your commitment to student growth is deeply appreciated.
Now, we move on to the highlight of this year's ceremony, honoring this year's most outstanding graduates, whose awards are presented by Professor Julianne M. Balang, Professor Karen Condabutin, and Professor Sindel O. Lohena. The most outstanding graduate in scholarship is Jovic Francis B. Reiko. And the most outstanding graduate in service is Joseph Gamiel Hadji. The most outstanding graduate in leadership is Meryl C. Mora. To share a heartfelt response on behalf of the
Patapusin mo muna hanggang student. Tawagin yung Sir Melj, papataasin nyo siya. Wala kayo si Sir Vince, si Ma'am Pro, from Sindel, si Sir Meljor.
Next, may we invite on stage Professor Sindel O. Lugena and Professor Melger General to present the college's most outstanding students of academic year 2024-2025. The most outstanding student in service, Nelson Louis M. Ricera III. The most outstanding student in scholarship, most outstanding student in leadership, and the college's most outstanding student, Johnry E. Espiritu. Congratulations to our college's recipients of Most Outstanding Graduate and Most Outstanding Student awardees.
And now, to share a heartfelt response on behalf of the awardees, let us welcome Jovic Francis B. Rayco, the Most Outstanding Graduate in Scholarship.
And just summa cum laude, kasabawat.
A great morning to everyone. I am Jovic Francis B. Raico of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I am surprised, honored, but most importantly, humbled to be here with you all today, presenting my response speech in receiving the Most Outstanding Graduate in Scholarship Award. In my 4 years as a college student here in Bicol University College of Science, I prioritized passing my subjects, maintaining grades for my DOST scholarship, and staying consistent throughout the years. I constantly addressed school requirements every day, even more so during the pandemic period in my first year. And I often sacrificed my weekends to stay caught up in upcoming discussions and lessons, most especially requirements. Looking back, I also avoided participating in many extracurricular activities to lighten the pressure that I felt in tackling academics. And I have not participated much in social activities as well. I prioritized consistency so much that I often forget to properly rest without thinking about the pressure of the endless and sometimes fickle academic requirements. Looking back on my sacrifices and my accomplishments, I do not see my grades or awards as proof of my excellence, but rather, I see them as proof of my excessive commitment and sacrifice, as a symbol of my strengths and my flaws, and as a reward for my academic endeavors and struggles. I can never see myself as a genius or as perfect, but I do not want to dismiss my efforts and struggles as well, knowing all of the sacrifices I've made knowingly or unknowingly along the way. So, I am very, very grateful for receiving this award. The past semesters were challenging not just for me, not just for myself, but for all of us here. So, most importantly, I congratulate all of you for your commitment and efforts. I see all of you to be just as hardworking as I am in different areas and not just in academics. All of us here have made our efforts and sacrifices, and some of us may have focused less on academics in order to focus on other just as important priorities in life. They are all just as valuable. It cannot be understated that your efforts have led you here today, and that the countless efforts of your past selves were worth it. Because of this, I hope that your achievements serve as encouragement that will motivate you to continue improving yourselves as you move forward. The challenges ahead might be difficult and unpredictable especially, but your past accomplishments and your efforts today will help you in the future, in your journey. I also want to give or express my gratitude to the faculty and to the professors for the numerous teachings and optimistic advice, and especially guidance. Without them, we would feel very lost in studying or learning concepts and topics, especially in multiple fields, in multiple subjects. Thank you very much for your expertise and your efforts. I would also want to give my thanks to my college, the College of Science, for the opportunities given to me in the past years. Finally, I wholeheartedly give my thanks to my friends, to my family, and to God for their support, for their optimistic yet realistic advice, for hearing me out whenever I feel stressed and vulnerable, and for guiding me whenever I felt lost. Your support is how I am able to focus on school or in other important matters. Your sacrifice gives me the drive to improve myself every day. And your patience helps me get back on track whenever my self-doubt and anxiety becomes an overwhelming burden. Without you all, I would not be standing here today giving this speech or response. With all of that said, once again, congratulations everyone, and have a great morning. I am Jovic Francis B. Raico of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, awardee of Most Outstanding Graduate in Scholarship. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing the humbling sentiment, and congratulations, Mr. Raiko. As we approach the end of today's program, let us hear the closing remarks to be delivered by Professor Phil V. Morano, the Faculty Club President of the College of Science.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty and staff, the proud parents and families, valued guests, and most especially our honored students. As we conclude this recognition rites, allow me to offer not just a traditional closing, but a quiet reflection. Today, we celebrated achievement, but more importantly, the persistence behind it. The steady effort of showing up, the grit to keep going when things were uncertain, and the choice to do your best even without recognition. That is the spirit that carried you here today. Always remember that recognition is not the final page. It is a bookmark. It's a reminder of where you've been and a hint of how much more is still possible. May this day remind you not only of what you've accomplished, but of what you're still capable of becoming. So we are deeply honored to have been joined today by a shining example of where those future pages might lead. Our guest speaker, an esteemed alumnus of the BS Chemistry program, a top-notcher in the licensure examination for chemists, now a colleague in the College of Science, is a living proof that excellence is not just possible, it is repeatable. His story is not only a source of pride for the college, but a powerful inspiration to every student who dares to dream boldly and work relentlessly. A round of applause to Sir Justin. And of course, today would not have been possible without the strong community, or without a strong community working together behind the scenes. To our organizing committee, headed by Professor Mark Daen, the committees that evaluated the honorees today, Professor Cindy Lucena and Professor Joan Cordovilla, and all the working groups. Thank you for the countless hours and commitment that brought this day to life. Palakpakan natin sila. To the college administration, headed by our Dean, Professor Jocelyn Serrano, and our Associate Dean, Dr. Christian C. Your leadership continues to create an environment where excellence is possible. Palakpakan din natin sila. And to the Student Council, the outgoing CSE, Sara Balemino, and the incoming CSE, Jonathan Lavapie, your energy and initiative embody the leadership we hope to inspire in all our students. Again, let's give them a round of applause. And of course, our faculty and staff, your steady guidance, patience, and wisdom shape not just minds, but futures. Each of you played a role in making this celebration meaningful, not just as an event, but a message that hard work is seen, supported, and celebrated. Most especially to our dear students, our honorees in this very special occasion. Carry this moment with gratitude and a sense of humility and responsibility. Use this bookmark as a reminder to pause, reflect, and then press forward with purpose, with courage, and with a quiet confidence that you are ready for the pages still unwritten. So congratulations to all. Thank you for being part of this milestone. Good morning and onward to the next chapter. Mabalos.
Thank you so much, Sir Phil Morana, for those inspiring words. At this juncture, let us all rise for the BU hymn and the BUCS station ID, both presented via audiovisual. You may now sit down as you watch the BUCS station ID.
Gifted with a heart so mild. Make innovation is my vision. Help build the nation is my mission. To serve the people is my passion. Into the future, my dream lives on. Scientista ako. Proud be you when you're Scientista ako. Building future for you. Scientista ako. For science ako. Scientista ako. Born to serve you. Oh, 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 oh. Scientista ako. I climb mountains, I break tides. I chase rainbows, reach for the stars. Breaking limits, expanding bounds. Fearing neither the sun nor cloud. I hold the beacon of wisdom and power. To lead the people to the future far. With compassion to serve and lead. And with honor I'll daily lead. Scientista ako. Proud be you when you're Scientista ako. Building future for you. Scientista ako. For science ako. Scientista ako. Born to serve you. Oh, 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 oh.
Siyentista ako, mauragon magdayon. Ano nga magyanong hamon, ako'y nag-ibang bako. Sabi magkalturin, may panindigan ang tiwala sa Diyos. Alay buhay sa bayan. BCS! Tahanan ng magagaling. Estudyante guro, may talentong angkin. Games ako! Our elves of the world. Batang mo! I understand the weather. Mayo ako! I care for the living. Comsci ID! We make things happen. We all skip the computers, beat na kakaisa. We're body one team. Isang diwasan, matpat pa rin. We always aim high and we keep on shining. Hindi nagpapatalo at hindi nagtagabi. Pagkatapusang siyentista ay laging wagi.
Science, we make to prove flowers that the sun may bloom. Faltering hearts are becoming strong. The wondering minds find their way home. I am a scientist, trust me, yes, I'll do my best. Scientista ako. Scientista ako. Proud be you when you're Scientista ako. Building future for you. Scientista ako.
For science ako.
Scientista ako. Bound to serve you. Oh, oh, oh,
Scientista
oh.
ako.
Proud be you when you're Scientista ako. Building future for you. Scientista ako.
For science ako.
Scientista ako. Bound to serve you. Oh, 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 oh. Scientista ako. Scientista ako. Scientista ako. Scientista ako. Scientista ako.
Before we end, we thank everyone who took part in this memorable celebration. To all our life champions, padagos lang ang laban.
Congratulations to all student awardees of the academic year 2024 to 2025. Aim high, Scientistas, as you become future-ready professionals of the 21st century.
Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang mga siyentista ng bayan. Congratulations to Bicol University College of Science.
Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional. We would also like to recognize the efforts of the committee behind this successful ceremony, Professor and the CSC advisor, Mr. Mark Daen, the outgoing and incoming CSC, as well as the graduation or the seniors committee. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and effort.
Hello. May I request all the faculty members of the College of